I was the head prefect of Luangula House. Your mom 2 years ago came to attend the send-off of my late father. But I have no doubt that we'll do everything to pay her back for this golden heart that she had. As we reflect on the legacy of our late sister, the Honorable Helen, as you lay down there, let's say something about you. You are good, you are courageous, you are someone that stood for the all-round representative that Kalangala must be proud of. You did effective representation for your constituency. You are here as their advocate, and definitely you served your party proudly and your country with honor.
Thank you.
May your soul rest in eternal peace.
Thank you. Honorable members, in the VIP gallery we have Honorable Ambassador Barbara Nekesa Oundo. Please, thank you for coming. We have Dr. Rosemary Nansu Bugaseninde. Thank you for coming. We have the Honorable Emmanuel Dombo. Thank you for coming. We have Honorable Zaituna Duraru. Thank you for coming. We have Honorable Juliana Auma. Thank you. And we have Honorable James Trujillo. Thank you for joining us. And you're always most welcome. Can we have the captain, the chairman of the sports? Let's first have the vice president.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I would like, on behalf of the people of Katakwi District, on behalf of NRM Party, on behalf of government, on behalf of my family, to extend my sincere condolences to the family of the late Honorable Helen Nachimuli. Madam Speaker, the Honorable Helen Nachimuli was a friend to all of us, was indeed a very active member of Parliament, whose actions were very visible in the committee work, very visible in the debates on this floor of Parliament, very visible on the ground. I visited Kalangala once, and she was physically there to receive me. The Honorable Nachimuli was a leader whose objective was the interests of her people. She did not have a lot of time on trivialities. The Honorable Nachimuli would always reach out to any leader, but with the reason of solving problems of her people. It has already been said that Kalangala is a very unique constituency. When I went there, she told me that you have come only to the mainland. But many of us here know that where we are now is the one which is a mainland. But when you are in Kalangala, again they tell you this is a main island. There are other many, many millions of islands. But one time, she told me how one time she nearly drowned because of taking children or taking a patient from one island to another island with a boat. Madam Speaker, to speak in an occasion like this, when we have lost a young legislator, who I also met many times in the Orthodox Church. I met her in St. Nicholas 3 times. I met her in the Ginger Orthodox Church once. I met her in the Gulu Orthodox Church once, when I would always go there to articulate messages of His Excellency the President. She was a very committed Christian. She was not only a Christian by word, but by action. And she was extremely respectful. She would always call me mom, when she's receiving me in the church. And she knew deeply the history and the culture of the Orthodox Church. When she would be there with Sechikubo, when Sechikubo is not there, she would be very unconscious, very uncomfortable until Sechikubo arrives. And when you find Sechikubo before she arrives, even Sechikubo would be very uncomfortable until Helen arrives. The Orthodox Church and indeed the Christian faith has lost a very committed Christian. I am glad, Madam Speaker, that you have given me the opportunity to pay tribute to her.
Thank you.
I thank you for the extending the support to the young girl. If those in the meeting, if the clan can allow me also to make a contribution, I am willing to in their meeting when they do the meeting. I'm willing to do a contribution in light of support to the young girl who is in S1. She's just in S1.
Thank you.
And I would like to call upon that child to be strong, because there are many orphans out there, including myself. My dad died when I was a second lieutenant. I was still young, relatively young. We know in Africa that a parent, even 100 years, is still a parent, and you cannot compare. You cannot compare. So you look up to us who are other orphans. We will give you a platform. We will give you the guidance that you need, the role modeling. We shall mentor you until the logical conclusion. I thank Madam Speaker for the opportunity. May the soul of the late Nachimuli means flower. I used to joke with her that, which flower are you? Are you a rose? Are you a sunflower? Are you a lily? And she would say, Madam Speaker, that she will unveil the name of her flower at an appropriate time. She has not done it. May her soul rest in eternal peace.
Thank you. Thank you, Vice President. Today we unveiled the roses for her. We unveiled the roses for her in memory of her name. The Minister of ICT,